So let us start the question. Find the domain and range of the following function. Eighth one, first subdivision. F of x is equal to x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3. We know that denominator should not be equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 should not be equal to 0. X is not equal to 3. So your domain will be all real numbers except 3. So this is the domain. Now let us find the range. Y is equal to x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3. The numerator can be factorized. X minus 3 into x plus 3 divided by x minus 3. You can cancel these two things. Y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3. Now, you can give all inputs for x except 3. So, you will get all kind of output except 6. So, your range y belongs to all real numbers except 6. Why? Because you are not giving out 3. Is it clear? Yes. Note it down. Now let us solve the second subdivision. We have f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So we know that again 2x plus 1 should not be 0. So 2x cannot be minus 1. X cannot be minus 1 by 2. So for your domain, where you can write x belongs to also, or you can write simply domain, all real numbers minus half. Right? So domain is very simple. Now what you can do for range? Y is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So I want you to cross multiply. See, we have written x is equal to something like this. Why? Because x belongs to what? Now we want to figure out y belongs to what, right? So I want you to write, or I want you to bring this side x entirely, this side only y entirely, which is x on one side, y on one side. Okay, we'll just see how we can do that. Just cross multiply this, and everyone, I want you to concentrate here rather than simply copying it. So 2x plus 1 into y is equal to x plus 1. Just multiply inside. So you get 2x y plus y is equal to x plus 1. Now bring this x to left side and take the y to the right side. So what you get? 2x y minus x is equal to 1 minus y. Am I right? Take x common. We get 2y minus 1 is equal to 1 minus y. X is equal to what? 1 minus y divided by 2y minus 1. Now, again you know that denominator should not be 0. So 2y minus 1 should not be equal to 0. 2y is not equal to 1. Y is not equal to 1 by 2. Sir, can I directly write y is not equal to 1 by 2? Yes. Since for you, I am writing each and every step. From here, directly you can write y is not equal to 1 by 2. Now, one more information also you should check. If you substitute minus 1 by 2, what you will get in the numerator? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay? Always for safer side, after getting y is not equal to what? Substitute what is not to be given in the domain also. Maybe that could be an extra value. Right? So here y belongs to what? All real numbers except 1 by 2. Is that clear for all? Yes? Note it down. So before solving the third subdivision, let us learn a concept which is wavy curve. Wavy curve method is to find the interval where the given x or y is lying. Okay?
Given x or y is
lying, where it is lying. Okay, so let us take an example. X plus 1 into x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. What is the interval, or for what value of x the given statement is true? Okay, for that what you will do is, first you will draw the number line. You will draw a number line. After drawing a number line, check for the question whether the coefficients of x is positive. Check for coefficients of x is positive. If all are positive, no problem. If anything is negative, make it positive. I give you an example. Minus x plus 2. So the coefficient of x is negative. So take it out. Minus of x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So now you have changed. Now look at the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Positive. All should be positive. All coefficients of x should be positive. Positive. Always. After that, which will make the factors 0? Which will make the factor 0? So first 2, I'll mark 2. Next, minus 1 and 1. We are just plotting those numbers which will make the factor 0 on the number line in the correct order. Yes? Okay? Not whatever they have given in the question. It's not that order. How you will place it on the number line? You have to place it in the right way, which is from the left to right, negative to positive. Like that only you have to mark. After marking this, look at the coefficient which is lying outside, positive or negative. What is this? Positive or negative?
negative.
Negative. If it is negative, start from negative. Starting. So this is a start. How do you decide is start? You start with the help of the sign. If it is positive, start from positive. If it is negative, start from negative. Now, how we decide which is positive, which is negative? Whatever you write above the x-axis is called as, whatever you write below the x-axis. So I start from negative. I start from negative. Okay. Now once I come to the critical point, which is 2. Okay. I have to look after the power. What is the power here? 1. Odd or even? Odd. Odd, not change the direction. Change the direction. Now I have come to 1. 1 meaning is x minus 1 power. This 1 is making this factor 0. So you are coming here only. So what is the degree over there? 1. Change the direction. It's odd, right? Change the direction. Even the same direction. Next you have come here. Change the direction. Now your x belongs to question mark. Okay? Your x belongs to question mark. Now, how do I decide this? I decide based on this inequality sign. If it is greater than, positive or negative? Greater than 0 is positive or negative? Positive. I consider only the positive intervals. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 close, union 1 to 2. If you have doubt, take any value from this interval, substitute here, you will get greater than 0. Take any value. Okay? If you have doubt in your interval, take some random values. I will take -3. Yes, in my answer -3 is there. Take this value, substitute here. Minus of -3. Answer -3 plus 1. -3 minus 1. Is it greater than or equal to 0? Yes. Positive into negative. Answer that is greater than 0. If you substitute -1 or 1 or 2, the answer is 0. Because all are factors. That's why equal to 0. In case in the question, they have not given this equal to. In case the question, they are not giving it is equal to. Then you will change this one as open interval. Why? Because you cannot make them 0. So in that case, yes. Still the -3 will be valid. Is that clear? Yes.
I know, I have a doubt. How will I arrive at minus infinity? No.
Positive. It starts from -infinity to -1. 1 to 2. Positive. Why positive? Greater than 0. Should be greater than 0, not positive. If the question was less than 0, then I would choose -1 to 1 union 2 to infinity. If the question was instead of that -x plus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 1, which is less than 0, then my answer for this question will be x belongs to -1 to 1 union 2 to infinity. If you want, you can take any value, substitute and check. If you have doubt. So, irrespective of greater than 0 or less than 0, we will find answer for everything. If it is positive, greater than 0, I'll take that. If it is negative, I'll take less than 0. Right? Yes or no? Note it down. So let us take the next question. The same. X minus 1 the whole square. X plus 2. And let's take divided by x square. Let's take x square. Okay. Less than 0. So now I'm including one denominator also. Okay. Right. So now look after the coefficients of x. What you can say about the coefficients of x? All are positive. Now, I'm not giving you equal to here still, but then I want you to equate every factor to 0, even the denominator. Equate everything to 0, which makes that x minus 1 0, 1.
We should consider the squares.
Yeah, 1. And next -2 and 0. I have opened it. Yes or no? Now, since all the coefficients of x is positive, what is existing outside? Positive. I start from positive from the right only always. Now look after the degree of x minus 1. 2. Look after the coefficient, which is, the degree of x minus 1. Odd or even. Do not change the direction. Now look after the degree of x square. Odd or even. Don't change the direction. Look after the power, which is the degree of x plus 2. Change the direction. What is your answer? Less than 0. So your x belongs to -infinity to -2. Why? Because only there it is negative. Only there it is negative. Which is negative? Your answer is negative. In that interval only the answer is negative. Is that clear? In case instead of this equality it was greater than 0, then how you have to answer? X belongs to -2 to 0, union 0 to 1, union 1 to infinity. Why? That is a positive. You will not include -2, 0, 0, 1. Why? Because if you make them equal, then they can be 0. Right? One more thing. Now let's test. If it was equal to here, if it was equal to there, okay?
Close the bracket.
You will close the bracket? No. What and all you have to close? You can close -2. You can close 1, but you cannot close 0. Why?
Equal to.
It is in the denominator. Even in spite of giving it is equal to, you should not close. Why? Denominator cannot be 0. But that one will change. Yes, that can change. If you put 0, then it's wrong. Right? Are you able to understand? Make a note. Yes, give me questions. Factors. Give me factors. Random factors.
X square minus
X square minus 3
x plus x.
minus x plus 5 divided by x plus 3 the whole square. Enough? Is that enough? Or you want to include more? X?
Plus 1.
X plus 1 denominator. Happy? Greater than or equal to 0? Which inequality you want? Less than or equal to 0? Happy? Fine? Now we'll add a cube here, say like x plus 4 the whole cube. Happy? Enough? Enough?
Yes.
Yes? Nice. Now step number 1, you have to write in terms of factors. All are not factors. All are not in terms of factors. So x plus 4 the whole cube into this part alone, x minus root 3, root and all coming, okay, x plus root 3. So can I take the minus now itself?
Plus of minus x.
X minus 5, the minus is written out, divided by x plus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square into x, that is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so you should know to rewrite like this. So I didn't change anything in our question. Whatever is there, I've written it. Right? Now your next step is draw the number line. Draw the number line. So everyone just concentrate. So what makes this one 0? X plus 4 0, minus 4. So I can shade it. I can shade this. Okay, minus 4 is included. Next, root 3. Root 3 is also included. Included. Why? Because equal to is there. Next, minus root 3. Okay, we'll plot this minus root 3 little later. We'll fix all the values, then we can fix it. Next, 5. 5 is also included. Why? Because it is in the numerator. Next, we have minus 1. Minus 1, can I shade it? No, I should not shade. Why? Denominator. Next, minus 3. Next is 0. Right? 0 is x. Yes, opening it. Finally, we have to plot minus root 3. Minus root 3 lies where? In between these two things. Wait. Okay, minus root 3. Done. So I'll redraw this so that it will be easy for us to draw the Vedic curve. So first thing is minus 4, minus 3, minus root 3, minus 1, but minus root 3 is included.
0 not included.
0 not included.
Root 3. Root 3.
And
Root 3.
next to root 3 is included.
5.
5 is also included. Right? So now look after the start. Who is the start? Negative. Negative. Now you have come to 5. Power is odd or even.
Odd.
Change the direction. Now you have come to root 3.
Power is
Odd. Change the direction. Now 0. Odd. Change the direction. Next minus 1.
odd.
Odd. Change the direction. Next you have root 3. Change the direction. Odd. Next you have come to 3. Minus 3. Minus 3. It's even. Can you see? It's even. Don't change the direction. And 4. Cube. Cube is odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. Change the direction. Now, what is the question? Less than. Less than. Yes or no? So, which and all you will shade? You can shade. Wherever it is negative, you can shade. So, our answer x belongs to minus infinity to minus 4, close,
Minus 1.
union,
Minus.
minus root 3 to minus 1, open, minus root 3 is closed, Next.
0 to
union, 0 is open, but
root 3.
root 3 is closed, union, 5 is closed, but infinity is open. If you take any value here, the answer will be satisfied. If you take some other value which is positive, it won't be satisfied. If you want, you can try.
Yes, sir.
Now listen, 8th one, third subdivision. What we have is f of x is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus x square. Now let us solve the domain first. Again, we know that denominator cannot be 0. So 4 minus x square cannot be 0. So x square cannot be equal to 4. X square
Yes, sir.
cannot be 4 na. Then x cannot be plus or minus 2. So x belongs to all real numbers except.
Minus 2.
Very good. Yes, done. Domain is done. Now we will look after range. So you are expected to write y is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus x square. Next step is I want you to write. See here, y is expressed in terms of x. I want you to write x in terms of y. So 4y minus yx square is equal to 1. Right? So minus yx square is equal to 1 minus 4y. X square is equal to
1 minus 4
1 minus 4y
by minus
by
minus
minus y. So x square is equal to 4y minus 1 by y. Am I right? Am I right? Taking negative from the numerator as well as from the denominator. Yes? Now what is x? Root of
4 by 6.
4y minus 1 divided by y. Now you will say, sir, plus or minus. Yes, absolutely right. I'm not denying it, plus or minus. But you tell me, last class we learned something. What can be inside the root?
Positive.
So, you are telling 4y minus 1 divided by y. You are telling always it should be greater than or equal to 0. Am I right or not? Yes. Now, very simple. Just now you learnt a lot of things. Which will make the numerator 0? Which will make the numerator 0? 1 by 4. You can shade it. 1 by 4. Which will make the denominator 0? 0. You should not shade it. Now, all are positive. All the coefficients of y are positive. Start from positive. Now you have come to 1 by 4. What is the power?
1. Odd.
Odd. Change the direction. Now you have come to 0, which is y power what?
Odd.
Odd. Change the direction. Your answer to be written greater than 0. Positive or negative? Positive. Y belongs to minus infinity to 0 union close bracket 1 by 4 to infinity. Is that clear for all?
Yes.
Done? Yes. Note it down.